Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sew this waist apron. This is great for crafters and sewers who like to keep their tools handy. For this pattern, you can use lightweight fabric with interfacing, or you can use heavyweight fabric without interfacing. I'm using lightweight fabric, so I interfaced it. First, put the lining wrong side up, then put the main fabric on top. Hold both pieces together, then flip it over. This will be showing the right side and the right side. Then press it over here with the iron and mark both sides with a pencil. Next, fold your strips in half, then fold in the raw edges to the center crease, like this. For the pocket slot, fold over a 1/2 inch on the bottom. Then you can either sew 3/8 on top, or if you don't want to sew the 3/8 for design purposes, then you can put the hemming tape inside the 1/2 inch seam allowance, then iron it. So I decided to use the hemming tape. Take your pocket slot strip and sew it on top. Then sew your bias binding on both pockets. After that, you can put 4 pins on the sides like this so that the lining doesn't move. Next, put the pocket slot fabric right next to the crease on the main fabric and sew it 1/8. You can also put pins so that the fabrics don't move around. After that, sew 1/8 right here. So for the pocket slots, you can do the pockets however you want. If you want a different style than mine's, then you can take this measurement right here and divide it to how many pockets you want. Or you can just put 2 pockets right here. Or you can put 1, 2, 3 pockets, or you can put multiple pockets, like one big one small one big one small, however you want to do it. So for this pattern, I put from here to here 5.5, from here to here 3 inches, from here to here 5 1/4, from here to here 4 3/8, and from here to here 4 3/8. Next up, sew the straight lines from each pin. To make the straight lines, you can use a masking tape, a guiding foot, or an invisible pin, whichever works best for you. Then put the binding on the side seams and fold the bottom inside, then sew it. After that, put the binding ties on top and sew it. You now have an apron to put your sewing supplies. I like to put my phone in the middle pocket. If you would like to purchase the PDF pattern, I put the link in the description below. Thank you so much for supporting and enjoy your pattern. Bye guys.